Hi, I'm Owen Honey, a local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Are you a student or somebody that's in need of a quick fix storage solution that is not permanently installed and is affordable? Well, maybe you'd like to consider this 4-drawer hanging wardrobe that is available at Builders. Well, it is quite easy to put together, requires no tools at all, and I'll show you how to put it together. So first of all, lay out all your pieces for easy identification. It makes the job so much easier and you should get it done in no time at all. So we're going to take the pieces marked C, we're going to insert them into the pieces marked J. Now identify pieces A, B, and H, put them together and attach them to your previous pieces, which were J and C. So this piece forms the base of your cupboard. We're going to put other pieces on top of this, the other pieces marked J and C, to form the 3 tiers. So there you go, this is your first shelf. That goes on top of your base piece. One more shelf to go. Before you add your third shelf, you need to insert these rods marked D. Now you need to connect the poles marked E and F together and insert that into the top section of your shelf, and that forms the center part of our cupboard. The only thing that remains now is to complete the top section of the cupboard. We're going to use poles marked C with B1 and B2 in between them and the center pole marked G. Now with our frame assembled for our cupboard, all that's left is to put over the cover for the cupboard. So this wardrobe comes with 4 drawers. All you do is open it up, insert the base, and slide it in place. Well, this 4-drawer hanging wardrobe was fairly simple to put together. The great thing about it is when you don't want to use it anymore, you can just pack it all up and store it in your cupboard to be used at a later stage. Well, for more ideas just like this, please go to our blog on our website, which is www.builders.co.za. This product is available in store and online. Get to Builders, get it done.